How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. So Instagram is an application where you can watch reels, you can make some posts, you can promote your business. And so if you want to enable dark mode, it is very, very easy. One thing you must notice that you cannot enable dark mode on the app directly. This is because by the time you go to the bottom right corner and you click on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profiles page, and here you would see your profile and all of that. And by clicking on the three horizontal lines by the top right corner, you would see some options. Among these options, once you click on settings and privacy, you will take into your settings and privacy page. And here, by the time you check through, you would not see any option for you to enable your dark mode. So Instagram works directly with your phone's SIM. So if your phone is on a light mode, Instagram would also be on a light mode automatically. And if it's on dark mode, Instagram would also be on a dark mode. So to change or to enable dark mode, all you need to do is go to the top part of your screen and pull down the notification bar. Now once you've done that, click on dark theme, and once your phone is in dark mode, Instagram would also be changed to dark mode. All right, now this is for my own phone. Just ensure that you locate where your dark mode settings is on your phone. Go ahead, change the settings, and you are good to go. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.